Welcome to The Rising Ocean, humanity's final warning, where we delve into one of the most pressing challenges of our time, rising sea levels. In this video, we'll explore the scientific foundations behind this phenomenon, examine its devastating impacts on coastal communities, and uncover the profound economic consequences that follow. We'll also reflect on historical comparisons, highlight the significant loss of biodiversity, and discuss our collective responsibility in this crisis. Join us as we seek potential solutions and make an emotional and ethical appeal for action before it's too late. 1. Focus on rising sea levels. The document, The Rising Ocean, Humanity's Final Warning, delves deep into the alarming issue of rising sea levels. One of the primary causes identified is global warming, which leads to the melting of polar ice caps. This melting ice is not just a distant problem, it has real-world consequences that are happening right now. Thermal expansion of seawater, which occurs as the ocean warms, further contributes to the rising water levels. As the sea rises, it threatens to submerge coastal areas, turning vibrant communities into underwater relics. This work serves as a wake-up call, urging us to recognize the immediate threat posed by our changing environment. 2. Scientific foundations. This vital work draws from a wealth of scientific data, relying on research from reputable organizations like NASA, NOAA, and the IPCC. These institutions provide a solid foundation of evidence that underscores the severity of the issue. By presenting data-backed evidence, the document paints a clear picture of the current state of our oceans. This isn't just speculation, it's grounded in hard facts and rigorous research. The reliance on trusted sources ensures that the information is both credible and compelling, leaving little room for doubt about the urgent nature of the crisis. It encourages readers to trust the science and act accordingly. 3. Impact on coastal communities. The rising sea levels pose a dire threat to coastal communities around the world. Millions of people live in low-lying areas, and as the waters rise, their homes and livelihoods are at risk. Flooding and land loss are not future threats, they are already occurring, forcing people to relocate and adapt to new realities. These communities face displacement, which can lead to the loss of cultural heritage and identity. The document highlights these human stories, emphasizing the real-world impact of climate change. It's a poignant reminder that behind every statistic are families and individuals fighting for their homes. 4. Economic consequences. The financial implications of rising sea levels are staggering, and this work doesn't shy away from examining them. As waters encroach on land, the infrastructure crumbles, leading to costly repairs and reinforcements. Property damage soars, and the need for adaptation measures, like building seawalls or relocating entire communities, places a heavy financial burden on governments and individuals alike. The economic strain is not just a local issue but a global one, affecting markets and economies worldwide. This work underscores the urgent need for strategic planning and investment to mitigate these costs. 5. Loss of biodiversity. The rising ocean doesn't just threaten human life, it has a catastrophic impact on marine ecosystems. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are particularly vulnerable. As water temperatures rise and acidity increases, these vital ecosystems face bleaching and death. Mangroves, which serve as natural barriers against storms, are also at risk. The loss of biodiversity is a significant concern, as it disrupts the delicate balance of marine life. This work highlights the interconnectedness of our ecosystems and the far-reaching consequences of their degradation. 6. Historical comparison. By drawing parallels between current trends and past periods of climatic change, the document puts our present situation into a broader context. Historically, the Earth has experienced significant climate shifts, but the current rate of change is unprecedented. The rapid acceleration of sea level rise is unlike anything seen before, driven by human activity. These historical comparisons serve as a stark reminder that while the planet has adapted in the past, the speed and scale of current changes require immediate action. It's a call to learn from history and avoid repeating past mistakes. 7. Human role and responsibility. the document doesn't shy away from addressing the human role in climate change. Activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation are identified as primary drivers of the crisis. This acknowledgement of human responsibility is crucial, as it frames the problem as one that is both created and solvable by us. By accepting our role, we empower ourselves to make the necessary changes. It's not about blame but about understanding our impact and taking responsibility for our actions. The work urges readers to consider how everyday choices contribute to the larger issue. 8. Potential solutions. While the document paints a dire picture, it also offers hope by exploring potential solutions. Renewable energy adoption, such as wind and solar power, is highlighted as a key strategy for reducing carbon emissions. Carbon capture technology, which aims to remove CO2 from the atmosphere, is another promising solution. Moreover, sustainable urban planning can help cities adapt to rising sea levels, making them more resilient in the face of change. These strategies are not just theoretical, they are actionable steps that can make a significant difference. The document encourages innovation and collaboration in addressing the crisis. 9. Emotional and ethical appeal. Beyond the facts and figures, the work makes an emotional and ethical appeal to its audience. It emphasizes the moral responsibility to act, especially for the sake of vulnerable populations and future generations. The document asks readers to consider the kind of world we want to leave behind. It's a powerful reminder that climate change is not just a scientific issue but a deeply human one. By focusing on the ethical dimensions, the work seeks to inspire a sense of urgency and commitment to change. It's a call to action that resonates on a personal level. 10. Call to action. Despite the abundance of rogue planets in the galaxy, the vast distances between stars make a close encounter with our solar system extremely rare. However, it's not entirely impossible, especially over millions or billions of years. The improbability of such an event does not diminish its potential impact. It's like a rare but powerful storm that could, given the right conditions, unleash its fury upon us. The possibility, however slim, keeps scientists vigilant, always watching the skies for signs of these celestial wanderers.